Check out the brand new M18 FUEL 184mm circular saw from Milwaukee. Now this saw boasts a blade speed of up to 6,000 RPM, which is a step up on the previous generation. That extra 200 RPM combined with a more powerful and efficient brushless motor means you can expect to achieve much faster cut speeds. And that new 184mm blade, or 7¼ inch in the old scale, is the new thick kerf blade. The thicker kerf means it's less likely to wander, giving you straighter cuts and lasts longer. Now the saw's guard and the shoe are made from cast magnesium, which is strong and light. And a great feature on the base of that shoe is it's saw track compatible. It means it's a great saw for sheet work and ripping. Speaking of ripping, that powerful brushless motor means you can rip multiple sheets at the same time. Here we are ripping 3 sheets of particle board. It's not even bogging down. We could even cut a lot faster if we wanted to. Now the saw easily bevels over to 50 degrees. It's got detents, so quick finding 22.5 and 45 degrees. With nice, clear, easy to read labeling on both that bevel guide and the plunge guide. At max depth, it delivers 64mm of cutting capacity. If you tilt it over to 45 degrees, you can cut up to 50mm. The sight lines are good too. You've got a blower blowing the dust away in front of the cut as you move through the rip. It's also got an LED light shining in from the side, right where the blade meets the material, so you can see your line. It's got a blade brake which engages the second you release the trigger, and if you are going to change that blade, the spanner for doing so is stowed away on board, so you won't lose it. Nice little raft hook on top as well. Now, when it comes to runtime, Milwaukee says you can get up to 750 docking cuts off that 12 amp hour forged battery. And best of all, it's available right now at your local Sydney Tools store in our exclusive 5-piece kit. Or you can go over to sydneytools.com.au for the full specs and to order online. And if you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.